Good evening, and how are you doing today?
Yeah, very good evening. I am good. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yes, I'm doing fantastic too. Thank you for asking. So, how was your day today?
Yeah, my day is today is my bit free because my
Mhm.
husband went and my daughter also she has gone to school. So school has started. So today a bit free. I am bit free.
Oh, okay. Yes, yes. So now you are getting free time. Okay.
No, my daughter already back to home. My husband will back after 1 hour.
Oh, okay, okay. But yeah, school has already started, so maybe you can get some time when your daughter will go to school.
So I have a son as well.
Oh.
He is 8 years old, but his school is not started yet. Next week onwards, the school will reopen for him.
Yes, yes. So now summer vacation is about to end.
Right.
Okay, so can you give me a short introduction? I would like to know a little bit about you.
Yeah, sure, sure. My name is Rohini. I am from Karnataka, living in Bangalore. I have done but right now I am full-time homemaker. I already mentioned I have a mother of 2 kids. So right now I found of interest learning this language. So that's why when I get a free time, so I would like to connect with co-learners and strangers. Apart from that, reading English books and watching English content videos. That's all about me.
Okay, so now these days you are more into learning this language, right? Okay, so now it's my turn. So my name is Tanuja and I hail from Bhopal city. And about my profession, I work as a software engineer in one of the IT company. And along with that, I run a YouTube channel also. And you can say that YouTube I am doing in my free time. And apart from this, if I talk about my interests, so I love painting, dancing, and traveling sometimes. That's all about me.
Yes, even I too have run one YouTube channel. Like whatever I do the conversation with co-learners, that kind of videos I am uploading on my YouTube channel.
Oh, okay, great. So can you share the name of your channel? I would like to see.
Yeah, sure, sure. After this session, I will share the.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so when did you started actually your YouTube and learning this language also?
Yeah, my learning language, it has started 1 year ago, but
Mhm.
my YouTube journey has started just only 2 months ago. So before that, I didn't have any plan to open my own YouTube channel because just only was focused on only learning this language. Just only I have one thought came, just only open YouTube whatever I like do the conversation, the that kind of videos only I till now I am uploading. Yeah, I have so many thoughts, but right now I can't do. I have children, so in future when I get a free time, definitely I will work upon my YouTube channel.
Yeah, and I think YouTube is a great career for those people who are not going out, especially not working anywhere. So it is a good way to, to make yourself productive and do something. If we are just sitting at home and doing nothing, so instead of that we can do this. We can, and also you can track your progress. When I had started my channel, so I had no thinking that I would run a channel especially for English learning, but nowadays I'm enjoying also, and it is a track of my progress. So now I can realize that where I was and now I'm here. So yeah, we need to go long way. Still, we need to learn a lot. But yeah, in this way we can progress.
Likewise, likewise. Because seriously, in initial days, I didn't have a courage to open channel. I always thought of focusing people. So how they how they accept for my language. So I am still learning. earning, right? So that thought I have before that. So I have seen many learners. They have their own YouTube channel. So I get a motivated from co-learners. So that's why I have started my journey.
Yeah, definitely. So initially we get this kind of thoughts, especially if you have like public fear, social anxiety. So we feel what people will think about us, especially if you don't have a particular knowledge on that thing. So that time we feel like whether we should continue these things or not, whether we should start or not. So, and also in initial days, you get a lot of negative thoughts and negative comments and everything. So, but we need to focus on ourselves. Like, how do you take this kind of thing, like especially comments and how people react on those things. So, yeah, in my initial days, I also got a different kind of comments. Like some people praised about that work, but some people don't. So still, I took it as a positive way. Like at least I'm improving myself.
Right, even I too have the such kind of things I too have. So seriously, I didn't share, I don't tell anything about my friends and family. I have on YouTube channel. Just
Mhm.
only my family members only know about my YouTube channel. So I don't know whether it is right or wrong, because I am always thinking about my English is good or not. Because sometimes I am do the mistake, right? I know doing while talking that time I do the mistake. So I always thinking about that when see my friends or see my cousins or any relatives in that time, what they would thinking about my conversation. So like that, I am thinking. So seriously, right now, I don't have a courage to tell my relatives or friends. Yeah, just only know about my family.
Yes, yes. So, yeah, definitely they will get to know after, now you are in learning phase, so definitely we will make a lot of mistakes. So, no issue. But yeah, after some months, when you will see the progress and yourself, then definitely you will feel like to share all these things to others also.
Do you have a feel? Do you have a feel such kind of thing?
Yeah, I had in my initial phase, but now it is around 3 years that I'm working on my YouTube. So I don't feel much like yes, what people will think. But still, I feel when I see other people who are doing great in this field and they have good command over this language. So then that time I feel demotivated sometimes. Why I'm not improving like them or something like that. But yeah, I consider myself that I don't have enough time just to focus on English language because I'm already working. So you maybe know that in IT field we have a lot of work and sometimes pressure also, so that's why. But at least I'm happy with whatever I'm doing. So yeah.
Yeah, really, I want to appreciate you because I know very well about IT field work, because my husband also working in IT field. Because in IT field, especially, a lot of work is there. So in extra activities, it's very difficult to manage both field. Definitely, I would like to appreciate you.
Yes, you are right. So yeah, for me that I am doing work from home, so that's why somehow I'm able to manage. Otherwise, I can totally understand that people who are already working, it's very difficult to manage like both the things. So how's the
Because
weather there?
yeah, my weather is quite good actually, because we got a rain at our place a few days back. So nowadays, sometimes it cloudy and sometimes sunny, like that is there.
Yeah, because I think I had read in the news that there is heavy rain in Bangalore. So is it?
Yeah, yes, yes. I think like 1 week back, heavy rain was there at our place, but right now it come to normal. Just only like get in evening time, just only drizzling. Like that we getting. Apart from that, in whole day it's a sunny day.
Okay, and here now it's started raining. So do you
Yes.
like rainy season or not?
Yeah, sometimes I feel come to rain. Definitely, I love to, but
Mhm.
continuously coming rain, it's very difficult to manage. Because
Yeah.
as a homemaker, in rainy season, maintain very difficult.
Yes, yes, you are right. You know, when it is like drizzling, like slow rain, then we enjoy sometimes. Like we want to eat some good food and all. So we want to enjoy. But when it's like heavy rain or something, that we get, oh my God, how people are, doing their daily task even. So I feel sometimes like I am at my home, so I'm not bothering too much. But when I see my parents and my siblings, they are going to their work and office and college. So, oh my God, how they are be able to manage all this, especially in
Yes,
rainy season. So now it is about to come,
yes,
I think, after summer. So it would be really difficult.
yes. Because for me, I want to send my kids to school, right? So
Yes.
that time it's very difficult, and want to like laundry, do the laundry. That time also very difficult to dry the clothes. So that things are very difficult to manage.
Yeah, right. So you are proper from Bangalore or somewhere else? Like you are born
Yeah,
and brought up?
I am basically another district of Karnataka. So after marriage only I came to Bangalore because my husband is working in Bangalore. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why I'm living right now Bangalore. I have been living in Bangalore 12 years, since 12 years.
Oh, okay. So you are in the same state, I would say, since your childhood.
Both are- Yes, we both are in the same state, neighbor,
Yes, then it's good.
sorry, neighbor district. Both are same state, and we both are like
Different is
neighbor
district.
district.
Okay.
Different district. Yes, yes.
So did you find any kind of differences when you come to Bangalore after marriage, or it is like similar district?
No, I have seen a lot of different come to Bangalore because I born and brought up only a village, and after finishing my education, I went to work for one like district. It was also like it is also one big district, Mysore district. I was working there for 4 years. So compared to Bangalore, Bangalore is a huge city. So initially I was very afraid to living in Bangalore because I heard so many rumors about Bangalore because my friends or colleagues they were telling to like Bangalore is such kind of city like that this like that telling these stories about Bangalore. So initially I was very afraid about Bangalore, but nowadays I am adjust with Bangalore. I can manage. I can easily handle everything in Bangalore.
Yes, yes, you are right. So now it's a long time, so that's why you are settled and habitual also doing all such things.
But from the childhood, I am an independent girl because in that time I had to travel for education purpose.
Okay.
I need to travel one place to one place because I already mentioned I born and brought up a village. So that thing I was able to do. But come to in especially come to in Bangalore. Bangalore is a and different kind of people are living and we can't trust people, right? So immediately we can't trust people, especially come to in Bangalore. So that's why that part of issue I was afraid about. That other thing I am able to do, like I can travel it anywhere in single, so I can manage.
That's good actually. Yeah, even I went to Bangalore. So that was my first experience that I went outside, especially from my hometown to Bangalore. So it was really, the first beginning that I had to manage all the things, and especially Bangalore is quite Not quite. It is totally different from my city, I would say. So yeah, I struggled a lot, and sometimes because of language issues also. That time I was not good at English also, so I struggled a lot. So now I realize that that time I was not good at this language also. So sometimes language barrier also. Now I have improved this much, so I won't face this kind of difficulties.
Right, right. You can manage like wherever you go, you can manage.
Yeah. Earlier I used to translate in my head like what I have to say next. Then only I can say.
Yes, yes, I can understand because even I also go to apart from other state, go to other state. Even we also facing the same issue, right?
Hmm. Yes. Yes. So have you ever been to North India?
No, no, not yet.
Never.
Seriously, no, never. I
Okay.
have a wish to travel to North India side. So when I get a future, I get a chance, definitely I don't miss it. I would like to see like Rajasthan and Delhi. So like that places I in my bucket list. Yeah, when I get a chance, definitely to see all those places.
Oh, great. Like South Indian people want to cover North and North Indian want to cover South part. So I have the dream to cover South India because I have visited some of the states in North part. So now my wish to, explore more South part like Kerala and Tamil Nadu, this kind of place.
Yeah, right, right. Mumbai. Have you ever seen Mumbai?
Yeah, I visited Mumbai.
Okay. Like Mumbai or Bangalore, the same. I think it's similar to same kind of places.
Yeah, you can say like hustle and bustle kind of city, like busy city, we can say. Yeah.
Right, right. Like we can see the like a huge population. Main thing is population and traffic issue.
Yeah, yeah. I faced traffic issue, and when I went to Mumbai, so that time when I saw the crowd in front of like local train and metro, how people are managing actually. Or most of the people are working professional, so every day they commute for their work purpose, and it's really like busy city. When we see people are just not walking, they are running. It's like that.
Yes, right, right. Like Bangalore come to in main we are get a traffic issue, but come to Mumbai like it come very crowd actually. Come to Mumbai,
Yes.
yeah. Both are like similar, but some issues are we have to face.
Yes, yes. We can say that in every city or state there is some different advantages and disadvantages also. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And we can wrap up the call. Bye bye.
Yeah, sure, sure.